Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch and stream movies with a VPN. Let's get started. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is an essential tool for any movie lover. It does two key things. It unlocks a world of content, and it keeps your streaming secure. You can use it to access movie libraries on platforms like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, Disney+, and HBO Max that are normally restricted to other countries. It also encrypts your internet connection, which protects your data from snoops, and can even help prevent internet slowdowns from your ISP during peak streaming times. I'll show you exactly how to set this up using one of the best services for the job, NordVPN. The first step is to choose and set up your VPN. While there are many options, for reliable high-speed streaming, I recommend NordVPN. It has a proven track record of working with major streaming platforms, offers thousands of fast servers worldwide, and has strong privacy protections. You can find a great discount link in the description below to get started. After signing up, you'll need to download the NordVPN app. It's available for virtually every device you might stream on: Windows and Mac computers, iPhones and Android phones, Amazon Fire TV Stick, Android TV, and even some smart TVs and gaming consoles. Once the app is installed on your chosen device, open it and log in with your account credentials. You'll see a clean, intuitive home screen. For streaming movies, the easiest method is to use the search feature. Let's say you want to watch a movie that's only on UK Netflix, or a show that's exclusive to Disney+ in Canada. In the NordVPN app, click the search bar and type in the country you need. For example, type United Kingdom or Canada. NordVPN will show you a list of servers in that country. For the best streaming performance, look for servers that are marked as optimized or that have a specific streaming icon. These servers are specially configured to provide the fastest, most reliable connection for video services. Click on your chosen server and then hit the Connect button. The connection is established in just a few seconds. You'll see a confirmation message, and your IP address is now registered in that country. Now, it's time to stream. Open your streaming app, whether it's Netflix, Prime Video, or any other service. A crucial tip: if you already had the app or website open, you must close it completely and reopen it, or at least refresh the browser page. This forces the streaming service to check your location again and recognize your new, international IP address. Once it reloads, you will have full access to that country's movie and TV show library. You can browse, search, and start watching just like a local subscriber. If you're having trouble with a specific platform, NordVPN has a dedicated feature to help. In the app, look for the Specialty Servers section, often found by clicking on the three dots or More option. Here, you'll find servers explicitly labeled for platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. Connecting through these targeted servers often provides the most consistent access. Beyond unlocking content, this process keeps your streaming activity private. The encryption provided by NordVPN means that no one on your network, not even your internet service provider, can see what you're watching or throttle your speed because you're streaming 4K movies. This is especially valuable on public Wi-Fi networks, where your data could otherwise be vulnerable. Using a premium, trusted VPN like NordVPN is the best way to enhance your streaming experience. It's more reliable and secure than free VPNs, which are often too slow for HD video, get blocked by streaming sites, and may even compromise your data. For the easiest, fastest, and most secure way to unlock global movie libraries and protect your streaming, I highly recommend using NordVPN. Check out the link in the description below to try NordVPN at a great price.